To ensure the efficient and reliable operation of your eCompact biomass boiler, you will need to have it serviced annually or every 1200 hours, whichever comes first, by an authorised service engineer. We also strongly recommend that before the heating season that the boiler receives an interim service, which entails cleaning the heat exchanger, and this is carried out by the service provider. The end user also has a part to play in regularly emptying the ash pans and giving the heat exchanger a clean down periodically. This is covered in more detail in the quick guide booklet enclosed with each boiler. Full service. The service engineer has a number of tasks to complete as part of the full service. Tools that the service engineer will require are 10, 13 and 17 spanner, a brush and vacuum cleaner, brushes to clean the flue, drill with 4mm and 5.5mm bits, a flue gas analyzer. Let's go through each of the tasks that need to be undertaken as part of a service call. Cleaning the combustion chamber. Remove the baffles from the main combustion chamber and clean down all heat exchanger surfaces. Remove the turbulator cleaning mechanism from the boiler and clean the heat exchanger tubes. When removing the turbulators from the heat exchanger, check if the fibre board needs replacing. Service engineers often omit to replace this board, and it leads to poor quality combustion by air getting sucked in if it is not a tight seal. Uncouple the crank arm first, then remove the bolts from before and after the pivot plates, then withdraw the turbulators from the tubes. Empty ash containers. Ensure the ash boxes are repositioned correctly. Check sealing rope and tape on the lower ash pan door and main combustion chamber door that it maintains a good seal. Replace if necessary. Remove exhaust fan access plate and clean flue gas passageways to the flue outlet. Remove and clean the flue gas thermocouple. Completely clean the flue through the inspection door and also remove the flue. Remove burner grate and remove any loose ash in the grate holder. Ensure all the air holes in the burner grate are clear. This is done by drilling with a 5.5mm bit through the big holes to remove any carbon. Use a 4mm bit for the smaller holes. Check the rope seal that it maintains a seal when replaced in the holder. Ensure you replace the grate on the 15 and 18 kW in the correct position. On the 28 kW boiler, care should be taken to ensure that the leg of the grate is lifted over the lip of the burner head and sits securely in place. Replacing the igniter. Remove the burner pot first and unplug the igniter cable. Then loosen the fixing screw and withdraw the igniter as shown. Check the ceramic board on the combustion chamber door and replace if necessary. At each service, one should drain the cleaning compressor as shown. The silicone tube on the vacuum regulator should be removed and ensure it is clean by blowing through it. Servicing the auger. Empty all the pellets from the hopper. Disconnect and remove the auger motor. Firstly, remove the motor off the auger shaft. Then unfix the motor bracket from the auger. Then withdraw the auger shaft from the hopper as shown. Remove the auger and clean out any dust or debris. Check the auger bushing. To put the auger back in, you need to remove the inspection cover off the auger housing the hopper. Guide the auger shaft into the top bushing and fix the motor bracket back in place. Reprime the auger. Refill the hopper with fuel and reprime the auger by going into the manual control menu as shown. Check auger calibration process in the firing video. Record the information from the counters menu and forward the details to Wood Energy Solutions. WES offers a 5-year parts-only warranty on the boiler heat exchanger against leaks and a 2-year parts-only warranty on electrical parts such as the motors, fans, control board, etc. Warranty is only valid if the warranty conditions have been met, for example, boiler service history submitted to WES, etc. A. Boiler has been commissioned and the commissioning certificate has been returned to WES. B. Boiler has been serviced in accordance with manufacturer's instructions and a copy of the annual service record is submitted to WES, so it is recorded on WES's database. A service history book is supplied with each boiler. C. Boiler must be installed in accordance with manufacturer's instructions. An area where installers often fall down is sizing the expansion vessel correctly. Parts such as rope, fiberboard, and parts in direct contact with the flame, such as grate, ashpan, etc., are considered consumables and not warrantable. These items may need replacing during a service. There is a 1-year warranty on the ceramic igniter. Warranty labour is already included in the Win Partner and Installer discount at 4% warranty labour allowance when the boiler is purchased.